today I am going to show you how to do a bird feeder. Thank you, Bob. Okay, so I got this pretty bird feeder. You can see there's a clear.
Where did you get it from?
Well, I got it from Lowe's, and it's very pretty. And we also got some songbird blend, which attracts crossbeaks, cardinals, nuthatches, chickadees, and more. So it has all the seeds and all this stuff in there. And we are just going to put it in here. First, we gotta open the thing. Here, I'll hold the camera. Can you open it for me? Oh, it opens like that? Oh, I didn't know that. Okay. So, when we open it, we are going to pour some birdseed in.
You probably need to get a scissors.
Yes. So, I'll just take the camera from here and Mom can get scissors. Wait, you can show her all the stuff where we got it from. I'll be right back.
Tink. Hey, Tink Tink. What is it?
We are back. I got some scissors. Sometimes I like to call them scissors. And we are going to open it from London. Yeah, Tink. Yes. Okay. And then we're going to cut some stuff. Yes. Yes, I know. Yes, I know we're doing a YouTube video. Sorry, my cat likes to talk a lot. We are going to pour it in. Woo! Just like this. Pour it really easily. You don't want it popping everywhere like I just did. We're going to turn it around so it gets everywhere. We're going to turn it. Making really good progress here. And I thought I got on the front of it. We are making some good
That's probably enough, babe. That's enough.
And then we're going to lay it over here. And then,
You need to get that out of there.
Yeah. I'm glad it's like that so we don't have to it come out the bottom though. Anyways. These seeds are stubborn seeds. That's what I should call them. Yes, this is not for you. It's for the birds. I'll feed you later. Okay. Okay. So, now we're going to put that on and twist it back.
Make sure it's nice and tight.
Really tight, because what if it falls? That would be catastrophe. Yeah. Got it? Okay.
Gently pick it up. Okay.
Yeah, because it has...
All right, let's just show what you've done.
Ta-da! And let me show you where I'm going to hang it up. Let's see. Where can I hang it up?
No.
Which one?
It has to be a very strong.
Which one?
I don't know. Just.
Well, I'm going to figure out it, but this is our final finish. It should have stuff coming at the bottom if you get the same kind as mine. And I'll see you in one of my next videos. Bye, guys.